Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your Unity dashboard and signing into your verified Unity account now. Navigate to Monetization or Payouts in the left menu to begin setup. Have your tax ID and Form 1099 information ready to upload when prompted on the dashboard. Confirm your country and payout currency, match the bank or PayPal account you plan to add. Verify your email and contact information before continuing to avoid delays in payment processing. In payouts, click Add Payment Method and pick either bank or PayPal as needed. For bank deposits, type your account number and routing number carefully to avoid errors. Remember that routing numbers are 9 digits in the United States and must match your bank profile. For PayPal, enter the exact PayPal email used on the verified PayPal account for deposits. Double-check spelling and digits before saving to prevent failed payouts or delays in transfers. After adding payment details, set your payout threshold and preferred schedule on the payouts page. Many publishers choose a minimum payout amount, for example 00, to reduce transfer frequency. Complete any verification steps Unity requires, such as confirming small test deposits or email-based confirmation codes. Upload required tax documents like Form 1099 or equivalent before the first payout to meet compliance. Save your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.